Meet Ruby, my new, well, old T3. Now Ruby's not in the best shape right now, but I'll get to that later. I've been looking for a van like this for a long time, as it represents freedom and adventure on the open road. But before I can experience that, I have to get it fixed. So where do I start?
But I'm still running, nobody catch me. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it.
So as you can see, there's a lot of work ahead. But it's not about what my T3 looks like. It's about what it represents. It's gonna be a long road ahead. A lot of learning, a lot of cussing. But hopefully one day we'll get to experience adventure with my friends and family on the open road, making memories that will last a lifetime.
Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, move with it. Move with it.
Takže ty musíš tak povedať, že tak sa poďte so mnou pozrieť.
Da da da